Welcome. In front of me is a Listo SP50, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. And to get started, you will want to power off the device. Once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up till you see this kind of Listo logo on the screen, at which point you will let go of only the power key. Okay, so now that it's off, power key and volume up at the same time. There's the logo, so let go of the power key. And we are now in the recovery mode. So in this mode we will need to use volume keys to navigate. And you want to scroll down with those in order to select wipe cache partition and then confirm it with power key. Select yes. Cache wipe complete. And also Reboot System Now should be selected by default, so press power key once more to get back to your Android. And as you can see, we're now back on Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.